Hello and welcome back to another video of SUNNYSCOPA. This will be a quick video of how to use and apply a magnet sticker. Just like the other decal papers, you print with a standard inkjet printer and the steps are very simple. If you have a look at the paper, you will notice that it has two sides, the white printing side at the front and the black magnet side at the back. First we'll start off with editing the image, and secondly, print with an inkjet printer. Before printing, make sure you go into paper settings and change the media type to either label or thick paper. Gently cut out the image with scissors or a craft knife. Apply on any metallic surfaces with a magnetic force. So the example would be fridges, vehicles and their doors. Get creative with what you want to display, like how you spend your time with your loved ones, family photos, unforgettable moments or popular memes. Make one now, there is no hassle at all. It's easy to apply and remove. Thank you. If you want more information about our products, please visit our website at www.sunnyscopa.co.kr. You can also email us if you have any questions. I've put the email address down below.